Okay, I know I'm doing a lot of things off camera, but just to keep the video as short as possible, it is really long as of now, but this is the module that we're checking. My issue was the seats, and luckily I didn't have to move them. What I did, I lifted up this, you see it, be careful with it, don't bend it. So 3 on the side and couple, also 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. And then I lifted up this right here, and I was able to squeeze my hand inside, and I felt it right here. So I came back, and do you see these notches right here? 1, 2, 3. They sit right here, right here. 1, 2, and then 3. So you release these 2, and then you push it out, and then it will come out there. And then I put my hand and grabbed it. And what I did, now the reason why I moved this out, I got it here. Be careful, don't damage the speaker, the sub. So I got it from here, and I was able to barely unplug it. What I am thinking to do is, first I'm gonna do a continuity. First I'm gonna do a continuity test between the harness for it and over there. See if we're missing something. If something is cut on the way back to the BCM. But what I noticed in the description, the first day we worked, by the way, this is my 3rd day. First day we worked on it, it says there is a this is linked to the amplifier by a coax cable. So before getting to this, I went to the amplifier, which lives right there. I released a couple of tabs to pull it out. I didn't see any coax, only regular wires with harnesses. So I'm like, I need to get to the module now. And here also I don't see anything. So this is really weird. How come the description says that these 2 share the AM/FM antenna? This one receives a lock and unlock signal, and the amplifier is using the antenna for the AM/FM. I really don't know, like we're missing something here, but yeah, let me do continuity. Okay, so it's right here. 1 with pin 30, this is pin 30, the one before the yellow, and 2 with 31, and 3 with 54, and 4 with 29, and all of them red. 1.1 ohm, like that. So we don't have any cut on the way. And if you guys are interested, right there you see it's a small one, small blue harness with 4 pins only. Just checked continuity, but it doesn't hurt to plug the harness over there back and put the key on, although I don't think that we need a key on. But I want to check power and ground here. Well, since we have this plugged, I have my car probe here. Let's see if we have anything here. This is either 1 or 4. I'm not sure of the layout, but we'll find out in a minute. Okay. So this is power. But why it's happening like this? Okay, now I want to start the car. With the car running, because here it says battery voltage 13.1, and here we have 12.6. I don't know if this is the strategy. Again, it gets its power and ground. Here it says 12 volts, so we do have 12 volt. I'll give it that. Alright, let's check the ground. Switch the pin and we do have a ground. I think I want to do with this unplugged, I want to do a fault scan. Amplifier. Sorry for the glare. What do we got? Park and brake quiz performance invalid, no requested. Lost communication BCM. Control module power circuit low voltage. History not current active safety control module. Inverted round crank. Audio output 1 circuit open. Audio output 7 circuit open. Center instrument panel, speaker, motor missing, reference, center instrument panel, speaker, communication malfunction, lost communication with ECM, within the current, control module power circuit, low voltage by the control module. AC software is not programmed, rear wheel steering control module. That is from steering column position control module calibration not learned. So right now I'm suspecting. Right now we have three factors: body control module, amplifier, and this module. Although I don't know how the amplifier is linked to it. Only in words. Other than this, nothing linked this one to the amplifier. So wow, man. Is it possible that it has its own antenna inside? And believe it or not, if I punch these numbers, 13595510 on Google, you guys do it. It will say TPMS, GM TPMS sensor, but it's not. And then when I go down, I see some listing. Actually, no, I have it in my my phone. Let me see if I have it here. Hold on. 13595510. Get the like. Look what it says. Tire pressure monitor system. Same exact number. I want to click on it. This picture is not for the tire pressure monitor system. This is for these are the sensors for the keyless entry. I'll show you guys. Look, tire pressure monitor, keyless entry right here. So it is for the keyless entry, and it is only $40. So I know it may sound like I'm firing parts at this case, but it's not a usual case. I really don't know what to do at this time. 40 bucks. Yeah, we're gonna order one. Because if it's not, then it's the body control module. I don't think of anything else other than the body control module. I don't know if the we have 3 codes in the system for, I think either 2 or 3 for some parking sensors in the front, open or short to ground, something like that. So I don't think those would affect the operation of the keyless entry. But let's order this. Let's see what happened. I mean, I will be the what do you call it? The sacrifice goat here, sacrifice sheep, whatever you want to call it. But at least if you're watching this because you have the same issue, at least you know that somebody else has spent more money, a little bit more money, so you can find the solution. You don't do the things I did. So I guess that's gonna be another day. I'm gonna tell the owner to order one for us from GM. The new module is here. This is the part number for it, and I already installed it. And it did not make any change. This does not lock or unlock. Okay, I want to share with you guys this thought. Now, we also, when programming those keys, programming the key fobs failed. And the reason why it's not locking or unlocking because of that, because they're not programmed. Now, why would it fail? The other day, usually I work on this car on a Sunday, and the other day what I do, I have it parked here at some friend's garage. So what I come a day before, Saturday evening, and I either take it out, park it outside of the locked area, and keep the key with me, so I don't bother them by having the key and opening the garage. So last Saturday, what a guy told me, I said, hey, do me a favor, can you just bring it out and give me the key? He said, yeah, sure. So he did parked it outside, but during that, what he said, he was like, he was explaining to his brothers the features of the vehicle. He was like, well, I as soon as you approach the vehicle, all the lights come on. I'm like, whoa, wait a minute, say that again. He said, yeah, when it was parked, when I came with the key, all the lights came on, the headlights and some mirrors. And so I was like, okay, wait a minute, so if we have this operating, and that module that we just replaced does not have the coax cable that goes to the amplifier, so the only thing that senses the keys are the what are they, 6 or 7 receivers around the vehicle and inside. Now what I'm thinking, one of the receiver that should be under the dash, I think somewhere, is the one that is not sensing the key inside when we're inside. That's why the key fob did not program properly. So I am going to again, it makes no sense to reprogram the keys one more time, but I will just do it just for the hell of it, because I have the tool, I have the keys, so why not doing it? I am going to do it, but this device does not have any antenna. It's not a receiver. This is just a module that will tell the body control module to unlock the doors. This is the part where we failed last time. Turn off the engine, open and close driver door, remove the smart key, press the lock and unlock button simultaneously, and then release the buttons. We should hear clicking. How about if we go outside? Yeah, this is trying to program the key fobs. It's not working. How about... Okay, I heard something. Okay, let's go. Okay. Is there another key to synchronize? Yes. Place this my key into the slot. Out the vehicle. Okay. No. Okay. Yeah, this one is still, but the other one might be. Nope.